September 24th, Sunday, 25th Sunday of the year. God's thoughts surprises. For my thoughts are not your thoughts. In the first reading, we hear the prophet Isaiah saying that God's ways are not ours. His thoughts are not ours. He reminds us that God's way of doing things is different. He surprises us. He invites us to leave our wickedness and unrighteous thoughts behind. In the Gospel, we see how Jesus' thoughts are different from ours. Jesus communicates to us God's way of thinking through the parable of laborers who are called to work at different hours but are paid equally at the end of the day. For human beings, it is not just act. We expect that those who work more hours should be paid more. For us, we have to have that distinction on the basis of merits and performance. Somehow, we long to be different and be treated differently. It is not the same for God. For Him, we are all equal in His eyes because He had created us equally in His own image and likeness. He was compassionate to all the laborers because they had no work. He calls some even at the last hour and pays equally. God accepts us at any time and rewards us equally. Therefore, we are invited to be just in our way of thinking and acting and treat everyone equally without jealousy. Are we envious of others whom we think are not deserving but get equal benefits or treatment like us? Pray and practice. Lord, give us the grace to think and act for the good and betterment of others we often envy.